Hello champ, welcome to Dr. Sourav's classes, and in this video I am solving math examination, that means mathematics admission test 2023 previous year paper solution. So what is the mathematics admission test? It is a test for those students who are applying for mathematics and computer science or both in University of Warwick, Oxford or Imperial College. So if you want to take classes from our side or want to take doubt clearing session or want to take previous year question solution, mock test, study material, any of that, please don't hesitate. Please call or WhatsApp on this number. Dr. Sourav himself reply to your query individually through WhatsApp. Already all you know that Dr. Sourav's class is the best coaching institution for any type of mathematics related examination. So if you want to take preparation from our side, so don't waste time. This is the best time to take admission in Dr. Sourav's classes and boost up your preparation with Dr. Sourav. So here we need to first know the approach in math examination, how to solve this question in tricky way. Okay. So here we are not same like other institution. We can provide a detailed solution after detailed analysis of each question. So let's start with question number B. So exactly one of these five numbers is a square number. Which one? So how to tell you in just second. First of all, we need to just check this first number. This is a less than a square. Why? This is a 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So this is a square for what? This is a square for 0 0 square. Okay, so this is a less than. Here the last digit is not 3. Why? This last digit ends in 3. If the last digit of a square just depend on the last digit of a number being squared, just check 0 to 9. 0 to 9, here 3 is any square number? No. So this number cannot. Now we can check option D. So option D, this is the last two digits here. Last two digits is a multiple of 5, that is not 25. We need to check the last two digits is a multiple of 25 or not. Okay, and so the last two digits are not multiple of 25. This is the only multiple of 5. So if the multiple of 25, then we can check that is square or not. So this number also not a square, and this number last three digits are 0. That means that is a multiple of 1000, not 10,000. Okay, we need to check just 10,000 square or not. So last three digit are multiple of 1000. So that is also not a square. Okay, because 10,000 is not a square number, this is a cube number. So here this is not a square number. So which option can be remain? Here's last number option will be remain, and here the last two digits are 25, multiple of 25, and these are remaining options for that. So this is the correct option for that question. Okay, so if you like this video, to know more such tricks, share this video to your friends and to your family, and stay connected with us. And to get notification of all our video, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon also. We'll meet you in next session soon. Thank you.